Building serious muscle isn't about one secret trick. It's a system where every piece connects. It starts with a simple, non-negotiable rule: beat your last workout. This is progressive overload, the relentless pursuit of one more rep or a little more weight. But this rule is useless without its partner, tracking. If you're remembering what you lifted last week across 20 different sets, you've already failed. Write it down. Your logbook is your only honest coach. Next, your workout can't be random. You need a blueprint. Every muscle has specific movement patterns: a horizontal and incline press for chest, a vertical and horizontal pull for back. A smart plan hits these patterns twice a week, ensuring no muscle is left behind. This structure is what separates deliberate growth from just going through the motions. But the real catalyst for that growth is intensity. Most people stop when a set gets uncomfortable. That's not failure. True failure is when you are physically incapable of completing another rep with good form. For a natural lifter, those last few brutal reps are everything. Finally, the work you do outside the gym is what makes the work inside count. Your muscles aren't built while you're lifting, they're built while you recover. That means fueling the repair with enough protein, about a gram per pound of lean body mass. It means using cardio not as a punishment, but as a tool to push harder and longer in your workouts. And above all, it means sleep. You tear muscle down in the gym, you rebuild it stronger in your sleep. Neglect it, and you waste every drop of sweat. This is the path. No shortcuts, just a system of progression, planning, intensity, and recovery. Execute on all fronts, and the results are inevitable.